So ever since the age of 4, I wanted to become a judge. Usually, most people major in political science or English or something. However, I didn't want to go in that exact route because with political science, you know more of like policies, separation of powers, government relations, etc. While criminal justice, you get to know, you take classes like courts and criminal justice and criminal procedure and evidence. And I kind of wanted to know, like, because I'm going to practice, like, I'm striving to practice criminal law. And I know with criminal justice, I was going to have to take a class underneath that. And I wanted to know how, like, all overall, like, criminal procedure, like, and everything that entailed with that major. I'd recommend for them to just look into their program and see what they want to use your criminal justice degree for. Because either way, criminal justice is really it has a larger scope than what a lot of people think it has, because I'm graduating a semester early and I can't enter law school until fall 2020. However, I'm eligible to apply to jobs for the FBI, the CIA, etc. Work in the Department of Justice, not as a lawyer, but like underneath an officer, or look at trying to get a position within the police departments and stuff. So I just say that because you could use it to go into forensic science, etc., or criminal investigation. So I just say I'd recommend like looking into what they want to use it for before majoring in it. My summer internship going into my junior year, it established a lot of connections for me. And there are times where I have to go to Jackson, Mississippi, which is an hour and a half away from school, just to go and shadow or intern with the connections I have there. So an online program was definitely helpful for me. It offering that option to where I don't have to worry about being in class. I could travel throughout the day and be able to navigate my schedule online. And then we know everyone, these days, everything is so tech savvy, so it just made sense. Time management is key. Even though with how busy my schedule is, it's really easy to fall behind within online classes than it is with an in-person class, because you think if you don't check consistently your classes like every single day, my advice is to definitely stay on top of everything. Time management is key. Check every single day. I am a research assistant. In law school, I'm going to be doing a lot of reading and writing, and that's what I do as a research assistant as well. And it also gives me the opportunity to become more versatile, because something may happen with practicing criminal law, and all of a sudden I want to practice corporate or, I don't know, property law or something, and just being able to look over proposals and grants, and that writing experience and the reading and having to work along with other professionals, it just gives me that balance and those interpersonal skills I'll need to have enhanced by the time I'm in law school. One of the courses I'm going through right now online is courts and criminal justice. And a lot of what it's literally going all the way in depth from the origin of law, the Constitution, the separation of powers at a different level, like the differences between state, federal, court, etc. And I know for a fact that's just going to help me later on, because from someone to be learning about the law to one who's going to be practicing law, most definitely that. My criminal law class that I took freshman year, my criminal procedure and evidence class, all of those. There are some people who are interested in pursuing a criminal justice degree online, and they already received a degree, but they're hesitant about coming back to school because they're working in that particular field they received their degree in, and they don't know if they'll be able to balance both. So I definitely would recommend those who are non-traditional or those who are already in another field and they're still pursuing it, that it's really beneficial to have online programs.